This 2026 Jayco North Point 395 DSDB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Gassville, Arkansas, 72635 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Gassville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco and features Sleeps 8, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, rear bath, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.